Hello, my name is Joe Bartlett and this is my daughter Avery Bartlett, and today we are going to do an unboxing of the Tineco steam vacuum. So this was ordered off of Amazon, and the box as you see it is exactly how it's delivered. So we've not taken the tape off or anything. As you can see, there's no markings on the outside of the box to tell anybody what it is. But I will say the box does have a little bit of weight, so if a porch pirate was to pick this up, they would know that there's something of value inside of it.
Can I open it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, can you undo that side?
Have some packing, and then it's a box inside of a box. So this is what it looks like. There's no security tape on the end, so it looks like maybe someone has opened this box already once, but we'll see.
There's a little tear in there.
So we have directions on the top tab, kind of show you how to put it together. And we have
it looks like an
instruction manual. And then it looks like there's a lot of little attachments buried in here, so be careful when you take it apart.
This looks like some soap put in it. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it looks like some cleaning solution that it comes with. And this was a filter.
And there's a little thing to plug it into the wall.
Yeah, so a power adapter or charging adapter.
Then this looks like, I don't know what this is.
Looks like more
Pieces.
adapters of some kind, looks like. Oh, hold on, we got one more piece.
And this looks like the thing that goes on the ground.
Yep, so it looks like there's going to be some assembly required, because this is a brush that goes with it.
Oh, that's pretty. This is the handle.
It's like a cleaning brush.
And this is the handle. This is the big vacuum. I can't get it out.
Looks like there's a base to store it on.
Oh, there's a little circle thing down there. Fancy. I'll push down the pole. This is the vacuum.
Once you get that off, and I'll open the instructions up. So it looks like the assembly instructions are on the flap.
I think the handle goes right here.
Well, let's look at the instructions.
Yeah,
Yeah, put the handle in.
till it makes it click. Okay. Hard to get in.
There we go. Okay, so it looks like this is a replacement brush. So really there isn't a whole lot of assembly, just put the handle in.
And you need to put the handle on.
And then we'll probably have to charge it before the first use. Okay, the charger plugs into the back of the base. And then this just sits on top, and there's a couple of little charge ports in the base, and that's how it charges.
You want me to take this note off?
Right, and that's it. Okay, we'll get it charged up, and then we will put it to use and see how it works. Okay.
Charging has commenced. Auto mode.
What was that button you just pushed? What does that do?
Auto mode.
It toggles back and forth between these keys.
Clean water tank empty. Please refill water and cleaning solution. Clean water tank empty. Please refill water and cleaning solution.